Today, we're going to learn how to create all the trending VEO3 videos, from viral baby interview clips.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a content creator.
To cute fruit eating ASMR. Glass fruit ASMR. Bigfoot sightings.
Yes, you can now create me on a straight video. Subscribe to AI Empire now. Me and him are coming to your house to teach you more AI tricks. Make sure to keep some snacks.
And even animals caught on camera. All in a single tutorial. So let's get started. We'll begin with the viral baby interview videos. For this trend, we need two tools, ChatGPT and VEO3. First, open ChatGPT and type this. Now pay close attention, because if you miss this part, you'll miss the entire video generation process. First, type what you want to create. For example, I want to create a baby interview video on VEO3. Then describe the baby, a 2-day-old boy wearing a suit, lying down on a bed. Now describe the interviewer and her question. For example, a female interviewer asking, "What do you want to become in the future?" And lastly, write the baby's reply. I typed, "I want to become a content creator." So the prompt is divided into 4 sections. 1. Type of video. 2. Baby description. 3. Interviewer plus question. 4. Baby's reply. Here, you vividly explain what you want to create. With this strategy, you can create unlimited variations with ease. Now paste the generated prompt into VEO3, and just like that, your video is ready. Let's watch it together.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a content creator.
Interesting, right? The next one is cute baby fruits. Copy the prompt provided in the description and paste it into ChatGPT. From there, you just need to edit it by choosing the fruit you want as the baby and the parts that the baby will be eating. Once it's done, paste the edited prompt into VEO3, and in a minute time, your video will be ready. Let's watch it together. Not bad. It even looks a little funny, almost like a sad frog. I also went ahead and created a pineapple version. And here's the result. You can also make it in portrait mode by going into settings and choosing portrait. The next one is glass fruits ASMR. I've already made a full video covering that part earlier, so you can watch it after this one. For now, we'll skip it and move on to the next topic, which is Bigfoot videos. For this one, you need my whiz-bang, sparkly, zany, delightfully magical prompt. Yes, it deserves the name because creating Bigfoot videos without it is like skydiving with an umbrella instead of parachute. So pay 100% attention as I show you how to use it. It is divided into 2 prompts. Copy the first one and paste it into ChatGPT. It will now then process it and give you varieties of topic ideas, as you can see. Easy. Here you can see examples like Bigfoot's morning stretch, forest snacks reviews, fashion tips, and many more options. Just choose one that suit you. I chose option 4, DIY survival hacks. Copy the second prompt, paste it into ChatGPT. Now edit it and insert a topic here. You can choose to put the description in a bracket. Here you need to choose how many scenes you need. Copy the first one, open VEO3, make sure to choose the desired settings. Then click on Generate. It's ready. Let's have a quick preview.
Welcome back, campers. It's your boy Bigfoot with some survival hacks you'll never need.
Now repeat the process for the rest of the scenes. I will fast forward in order not to waste our golden minutes. Okay, the videos are ready, except for this one that looks like me. Probably not. So I regenerate again. Now that you have all the videos ready, use any video editor you have to bring them together into a masterpiece.
Welcome back, campers. It's your boy Bigfoot with some survival hacks you'll never need. Step 1. Instant shelter. Just wear the forest. Fire making is tough unless you cheat. Nature provided this.
Every survivalist needs tools. Mine are, eco-friendly disposable.
Survival is simple, guys. Just don't try too hard. See you next time.
And now for the last one, the simplest method of all. Just paste my ready-made prompt into ChatGPT, and instantly it will give you a variety of ideas. Copy any one of them, paste it into VEO3. Boom, your video is ready. If you use up all the prompts ChatGPT provides, don't worry, just type more and send, or paste the prompt again, and it will create brand new ones for you. Congratulations for making it to the end of this video. And to celebrate, I have a special gift for you. I'm going to show you how to create all of these videos without VEO3. Yes, you heard that right. Without VEO3, using just simple AI tools. But here's the deal. All you have to do is like this video and subscribe to the channel. If this video gets 25 likes within the next week, I'll drop that tutorial. So what are you waiting for? Smash that like button now.